Welcome, traveler of the mind. As you drift into sleep, know this: your subconscious mind never sleeps. While your body rests, your mind rewires, reshapes, and rebuilds your reality. Tonight, you're going to plant new seeds of confidence, abundance, and peace. Let your breath guide you. Inhale possibility, exhale doubt. As your mind softens, repeat these words silently or aloud. Let them sink in deeply. I am calm, I am at peace, I am worthy of success and happiness. Abundance flows to me effortlessly. My mind is aligned with my purpose. I release fear and welcome transformation. I am reprogramming my mind for greatness. My dreams shape my reality. I am becoming the best version of myself. I believe in the power of my subconscious mind. I am open to receiving all the universe has for me. Let these words echo through your dreams. Let your subconscious absorb them as truth. You are changing even now. Every breath, every beat is rewiring your mind. Sleep well and wake up powerful. You are limitless. Listen to this every night for 21 days to reprogram your subconscious. Like, comment, I am reprogramming, and subscribe for more.